star, setting sun or rolling waves at sea, a gentle breeze or lightning in a storm, a dancing dream of all eternity. The sun was shimmering in the morning light, a dancing of the tunes so far away. The night held music so sweet, so long. There we lay until the break of day. We woke that morning at the onward call. A camel's brightened up behind us fall. The sun was rising in the eastern sky, just as we set out to the desert's cry. The Thames grew smaller as we rode away, on earth that tells of many passing days, the months of peace and all the years of war, the lives of love and all the lives of fears. Holy we crossed the riverbeds all etched in stone, and up the mighty mountains Lebanon, beyond the valleys in the searing heat, until we reached the caravans of Rye. Holy What is this life that pulls me far away? What is this home where we cannot reside? What is this life that pulls me onward? My heart is full when you are by